Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will convert this orthographic drawing into the 3D model. So before starting this tutorial, if you like my method of teaching, then you can support me on coffee.com. You can buy a cup of coffee for me. You can also support me by buying my FreeCAD crash course for the beginner at very nominal price. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write the articles and tutorials on a FreeCAD and also on other open source software. So let's start our tutorial. As we can see that this drawing in a third angle projection, because if you see the section view, it has been cut at aligned and placed on the right hand side, and we can see this extrude in the section view. So first I will insert a body and create a sketch, and I will select this top plane, and I will draw my sketch. So first I will draw the construction sketch. So I will select the line and draw the two line. The angle between these two line is 30 degree, so I will give here the angle 30 degree. So this would be 150, and the length would be this 59.4, so I will give here 59.4, and this is the 56, so I will give dimension 56. So these two line are the construction line, so I will make it construction. Now I will select the 3-point arc, and I will draw the half circle, and I will merge the center, and this is the radius 34, so I will give the radius 34. Now I will draw the two vertical lines, this and this one, and I will make both equal and this point horizontal, and I will remove the conflict of constraint. And now I will make this with horizontal constraint, because we want this point at 59.4. and now I will draw the two line like this, and I will join it, and I will give the perpendicular, and this one and this one should be parallel, and I will join this point and this line and give the coincidence, and here I will give it perpendicularity. So this point is not constrained, so I will constrain it. So our sketch is fully constrained. Now we will come out of the sketch, now we will go with the pad. So pad is a 12 mm thickness base, so I will give here 12 mm, and I will say OK. And now we will select this face and create a sketch. We will project this outer edge, project this and this, and draw the line over it from this and this, and select a 3-point arc and make this and this equal. So inner one is R24, so we will select a 3-point arc and give it a radius 24, and we will merge this center, and now we will draw the two lines and join this and this and make it horizontal, also the horizontal. So this is the fully constrained with one dimension. Now we will come out of the sketch, and now we will read the our extrusion length, which is the 26 here. So we will go with the pad and give here 26. Okay, and now we will create a boss here. So I will select this face and create a sketch, and I will draw a circle, and its diameter is 34. And I will close it, and this is 42. So 42 minus 12, because we have already given this pad. So click on the extrusion. So we will simply type here 42 minus 12. Okay, now there is a through hole on this boss, so we'll select this face and create a sketch. Give the diameter of diameter 12. I will close it, and I will make a extrude cut. Simply I will say through all. Okay, now there are the two cuts on this face, so I will select the face, create a sketch, and here I will draw a circle here and one here, and I will project this outer edge, and I will draw a point, and I will draw a construction line, make it construction, and make it perpendicular as well, and I will also project this edge, and I will make my circle point horizontal. Okay, so this construction line got constrained because we can see that it is a horizontal. Now I will coincide this bottom circle with my construction line, and between center to center distance is 36. So I will say 36. Now we can see that this circle is diameter is 28, so I will give here 28, and this one is a 12. I will move my dimension to the outside. I will close it and I will go with the cut and I will say true all. Say OK. So we have made exactly with our isometric view. Now we will give some color to our part. Go to the appearances and shape color, and we will give approximate color with respect to our isometric. We'll close it. So this is how to do part modeling in FreeCAD with the help of a part design workbench, and in this tutorial we have exactly converted this orthographic drawing into the isometric model with respect to our isometric view. So this is all about this session, how to do part modeling with the help of a part design workbench. I hope you have liked this tutorial, and if you like this tutorial then please like, subscribe and share my channel, and also visit my website mechnexus.com for more FreeCAD info, and keep supporting me on coffee.com. Your kind support will help these channels to grow. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.